What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So one thing that I've noticed in my past few videos is that my front camera video is pretty shaky. This is because my front camera is mounted on the windshield. So the material of the windshield is made of plastic. So plastic is not as rigid as other materials like metal. Whenever I go over bumps on uneven roads, my front camera will shake like no tomorrow. So previously my front camera is mounted towards the edge of the windshield and there's lesser support at the edge of the windshield. So I have repositioned my camera mount from the edge of the windshield towards the center of the windshield as there's more support at the center of the windshield. So I hope this will make my front camera a lot less shakier. So later I'll be heading out for a ride. So right now I'll be going home to get changed. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we are back on the road. So as you guys know, Christmas is around the corner. So Christmas is a day where you can spend time together with your family and friends, celebrating Christmas together with one another. So this is the reason why whenever it comes to Christmas, I'm pretty excited about it. So back in the days when I'm just a kid, I always looking forward to Christmas Day. This is because I'm able to receive a lot of Christmas gifts from my family and friends, but not from Santa Claus, as I've never received any Christmas gift from Santa Claus before. So back in the days when I'm just a kid, I always wanted my Christmas gift to be something which I like, that is a toy car, those Hot Wheels toy car, because I love cars a lot. So for those guys who are watching my video, do comment down below, share with me what kind of Christmas gift you are looking forward to receive back in the days when you are a kid. For this year's Christmas, I'll be designing my bike with Christmas decal. So all along I've been wanted to do this. So this year I'll be taking this chance to design my bike with Christmas decal. Initially I thought of wrapping my bike with Christmas wrapping paper, but because there's no adhesive backing at the back of the wrapping paper, which makes the whole wrapping process a lot harder. So imagine if I'm riding on the highway at higher speed, all my wrapping papers will be full off the bike and I might be fined for littering on the road. I also thought of wrapping my bike with vinyl wraps. I've tried to wrap my bike with vinyl wrap, but it's really difficult to wrap as I'm not really good in vinyl wraps. So I gave up the idea of wrapping my bike with vinyl wraps. I have ordered the Christmas decals online and I have no idea when will I receive the Christmas decal. So hopefully I'm able to receive the Christmas decal before Christmas. So if I'm able to receive the Christmas decals in time before Christmas, you guys will be seeing a whole new look of my R6 with the Christmas themed decals. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Please stay tuned in my next video. So hopefully I'm able to receive the Christmas decal in time. So thank you so much for watching. So I will see you guys in the next video. Ride safe and bye.